What got on my boss family? One of the pound. Everybody good people. You know, once per day, guys, we come to talk about mix up, Mix up. So if you're new to the channel, mix up. I'm going to go across to Mix Up Buzz, ENT, and YouTube and subscribe over this song. Like and share over this, people. Tell them say me son over this. Go over there, like and share and watch the videos over this. Now, people, Ashanti 360 went live to address your Majesty Kris and put him there in place. People, me say Ashanti go all out. Ashanti kick left, him kick right, and different planka boss and make Kris know say, yo, you is an attention seeker. You come at the event to come control the event. You come at the event for a particular reason. You see me? Guys, what is your opinion on that? Let me know in the comment section. What is your opinion on that? Only if it's a Kris come to seek attention. Only if it's Ashanti wrong for what he said about Kris. Can remember people, couple years ago, you know, Ashanti and Kris did at it, you know, on social media, you know. And Ashanti apologized to Kris. But now, through the event, what Ashanti never like, him go direct at Kris and put him in place. You see me? So it's a social media, people, is not a safe place. Me can be friend today, and tomorrow we are enemy. You see me? Kris say him there the event and people are come take picture with him, and he have to hide some people because he must say, yo, he must say he never want to deny anybody. Should I say everybody? You see me? So him say him take who him can take with that because I look away for him come and people not get to take the picture with him. Him say when Donna was on her live and she talk about him and Kazim going to the live, him say him make this event be very, very special and him hard for come. So him kind of shocked for know say people is saying this about him. You see me? And he also made a post on him Facebook and said that if him hurt anybody feeling, he's sorry. You see me? So guys, let me know what you think about this people, because this drama is getting viral on social media. You see me? And remember, you know, people, it was Donna event, you know. Donna is the one who held it. So in my opinion, I think there should be no problem from any party. You see me? But everybody free to an opinion. So if some person feels that Kris did not try to come to the event, fair enough. You see me? That's their opinion. Because guess what? It's one Donna go. You see me? And she is the manager of this. She's the ruler of this, as in the event here that was held in New York. And she come out and said that Kris did mash up her show. I was seeking attention and all them things there. But I guess Ashanti said something different. You see me? I know Ashanti are going to defend Aunty Donna because him respect Aunty Donna and him not going to make certain thing go down. You see me? And once him says somebody that try to violate Aunty Donna and think, because Donna not going to pay certain thing mine now. You see me? But when I say people, I feel say this should just calm down and just, you know, this TV just calm down and think people. Because we don't need the energy in the atmosphere right now, people. You see me? Because we don't see what go on or MC bad mind Donna or other people bad mind event and thing. You see me? But Ashanti free to talk him silent thing. Because my mom big man, I'm free to say him what to say. You see me? Kris also free to talk him what to talk say. But if Kris passed the line and the boundary, Ashanti deserve to burn him out. You see me? Other person deserve to burn him out. Because once you pass the boundary and you go switch and you move a particular way, and you now move as if you come at the event should I say you come at the event for your purpose and thing. You cross the line there, so you see me? And people have a problem with you. So I can understand what Ashanti is saying about Kris. You see me? Because remember, you know, you see if you come at an event and thing, you have to make sure you see you cut yourself and thing and don't get involved in certain things. Because remember, the woman invite you. And if the woman never invite you, or you just say, boy, Donna, boy, I can't be so Donna invite me. You're probably burn a fire for your life. You see me? But the fact of the matter, you come at the event and you have a particular way. People are going to watch you and people are going to talk about you, not Ashanti alone. So you know, so this is not a Ashanti thing. It's a global thing. It's not Ashanti alone. See, other people say them have problem with it. You see me? People have problem with your attitude. Your Majesty, the people them not like your attitude and thing. The people my pray you. See me? The people my pray say you come at the event to come take it over. The people my pray say you go on too much. You see me? Because my mind the people have sense, you know. People have sense. I remember Ashanti say my talk it as it is. It's enough people now, it's enough people not like the truth, but he must give him honest opinion of how Kris move. I mean I say yo. Then your Majesty can really come at the woman event and I behave a particular way. Because I never give to watch all the clippings in the people. You see me? But me I say yo, the man could have really come at the event and I behave a particular way and the man knows say yo, say I know film thing. I done sitting and him move so. Eh? Him and Kazim. I mean I say yo. Because Ashanti get upset, you know. And say yo, then I shouldn't invite them fish here. I mean I say yo, when you see like a World War II I gonna start now. Because when you know I realize that Kris and Ashanti kick off again, what got him? Be a cussing and go on this in the people. Be a argument and go on this so. Because one thing Kris and thing in the free for chip film clock them. Kris make them know say yo, I me spend my money, you know. I me spend my money and do me want to do one thing. So a boy and girl can't give me a chat. You see me? A man say him rent him car when I drive up and down. I mean I say yo. You know so what I go on right about now people? Kris and Ashanti about to kick off. You see me, in my opinion. I don't know. But based on what Ashanti say about Kris and I don't think Kris want to lie to people. You see me? I don't think Kris want to lie to guys, but what a situation, what a drama, what a scene. What a scene, people. Eh? No sir guys. But guys, leave the opinion down below. Let me know what you guys think about this whole thing regarding Kris behavior or him behavior the award and thing. Because I know some of my subscribers and probably go over there. You see me? But let me know guys. Let me know what you guys think about this thing here. You see me? Let me know if it's necessary or the thing say it's irrelevant or it could have been prevented or what people. Let me know down below in the comment section guys. You see me? So based upon the serving of people because I don't know things certain about. Wow. Then I can't in a piece, none at all. Every day something different happen. If I'm an MC or Kris or somebody's name I call me and say, yo, the woman go to event and thing and you know if you can enjoy yourself and a bag of thing come from it. You know, you're positive and you're negative. Yeah, but guys, trust me, we don't want the negative energy. See me people, we don't want the negative energy. Negative energy, I can just make things look weird right about now people. It can just make things look bad. You see me? It can just make Donna look bad and make Kris look bad people. And we don't need that, but you know, Kris must know him up to. Kris must know what him want to do. You see me? Kris must know what kind of God he must serve and he must know yo the reason why I do. You see me? But when them say him a special invited, me I say, wow, Kris make it look like say yo, Donna love him special. Me I say yo, Jano. So I saw the man. I have to say yo, Donna have him special and him is like one of the top man them coming to the award. Should I say coming to the meet and greet? Me I say yo, the things that are weird right now people, but you know, you have to live a life at a day, at a time. You see me? But Ashanti, I can know say yo, the man come show him colours them. The man come show him colours them. You see me? Ashanti is going to make him come to the event. They can him come to control the whole event. You see my people? But I don't know. You guys, only leave the comment down below, yeah man. Because this is one mix up and one saga and drama. This is one is everything when I get better people. You see me? But the two of them must know what they do on social media people, but you know, we could just leave it here, sir, people. Your Majesty must know the reason why I behave so. You see me? If you guys feel that Ashanti is right, leave it down below. If you feel that Kris wrong, leave it down below, people. But wow. every little thing I talk good never lasts too long, people. So when you go and work with the people, we chat, let's put yourself here, man. You know, the care and one thing, guys. So enjoy the rest of the afternoon. We'll chat to you soon.